Hello, Ryan from Huckabye here. Today we're going to be discussing rich results. A lot of people are asking, what are rich results? Well, those are any enhancements to Google search that go beyond the typical ads or organic rankings that you normally see. So here we are taking a look at, say, like a company search result. In this case, Pluralsight. You'll notice your typical ads up in the top left, and then you'll see some enhancements to the organic search results right here. This right here is called the site link search box. That is considered a rich result. Now that's some indication from the website that is given to Google and allows someone to search that specific website from Google search. So they can type in anything here and it will pull up results within Google for any specific subject that's contained within that website. Now, how you get these rich results, that's a different subject, and we'll get into that in a different video. That is actually called structured data. So another example of rich results that we're seeing here on the right-hand side is what we refer to as the knowledge graph. Now, that knowledge graph can pull information from anywhere like Wikipedia, or once again, if we get into structured data that you have indicated on your website, that will indicate information like stock price, customer service number, a lot of other information like the company being founded or when the company was founded, any subsidiaries in that case, also social profiles you'll see. And then there's a way to actually indicate what industry that company is with, and it shows up in competitors for other companies. So if we were to search, say, for Udacity, it would actually show as a competitor for Udacity. A couple of other search results or rich results that we're looking at here are the people also ask section. Those are from other websites, and yes, those are questions. It's exactly what it is. People also ask. So is Pluralsight good? If we were to click on that, you'll notice that Google's starting to gather information of my preference. And yes, this is from another website, but another people also ask questions shows up on the bottom. So that's Google's way of gathering information and providing more relevant information to what you're searching. So some other rich results that you see on this front page under the company information is their Twitter feed. If that's indicated or coded directly or coded correctly on their website, it will show up in search results. Now, another interesting example of rich results is the reviews. Now, yes, this is an app, and yes, you have to download that from the App Store. However, the rich results that we're showing here is the actual gold star rating or that review rating. What we refer to that as the aggregate rating. Out of 14,402 votes, the average or aggregate rating is 4.4. You'll also notice that it's a free app, that it's on Android, and the industry that it's in. Some of these can indicate games or educational, like we're seeing here. So one of the other things that we don't see is videos. And one of the things that I'd like to show you is the difference between how rich results show on desktop versus mobile. So let's take a look at mobile here for a second. If we were to look at Pluralsight, you'll notice obviously the ads are at the top here. And then you see the site link search box. And then the knowledge panel, or that information that was in the knowledge panel that you see over here on in the desktop search, is the same information. Now this is interesting though, because you actually have some additional rich results that show up in the knowledge panel, like pricing, number of employees, and you can actually click on that and get the answers. And then once again, the competitor information. Now the app section shows up differently, simply because, well, I'm on a phone and it's going to allow me to install the app directly here. So we'll also see the social information. And then the videos show up as well. So any videos that are on that website, if you encode those with the correct structured data markup, then those rich results will show up in mobile search. So that's an example of the difference between the two. Now let's take a look at something more interesting here as far as rich results. Let's say we're searching for a product. If I'm searching for, say, like Ralph Lauren paint, I know it's kind of random. But interestingly enough, instead of the people also ask section, you're seeing here a rich result that's called FAQs. And FAQs, that's exactly what they are. It's frequently asked questions. Normally, it's been kind of a standard where the FAQs are actually housed in a knowledge base or a library of some sort within that website. But in fact, if you actually add these FAQs to your individual page, they'll start showing in search results and provide a really large amount of real estate that's actually on that front page for just an organic listing. So you can see how that would actually affect search results or interactions with those search results. Now, let's say we wanted to get a little bit more in depth as far as rich results are concerned. So if we were to go here and we were just to select or search, let's say we found what paint we actually wanted, and we were to search that on Google, we're going to see a different type of rich result. Once again, we're seeing product rich results here. So we can actually see the price of the product, the fact that it's in stock. Now, a lot of other search results will have the reviews. So if I was to look at something like a Parrot drone. So on the right-hand side, these are actually ads. Yes, they're a form of rich results, but you have to pay for those in the form of a product feed through Google Ads. Right here, what you see is rich results where you have the reviews, you have other data, the pricing, the availability of those, and those affect, once again, its enhancements to search results that go beyond just your normal organic results and links. So we do see where you can actually buy specific products. This is called your map pack. Yes, that is a type of rich result, and that's managed through a different platform called Google My Business. So that is a quick example of the different types of rich results. We'll get into another video here of what rich results can help enhance search and the availability to do those. And for more videos and articles on rich results or structured data, please visit support.huckabye.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.